Hey guys, let's go ahead and get started with some Monday math. This week, we're going to be focusing on another math review skill, and we're going to be mainly looking at subtraction equations that have a missing number. And we're going to use the same strategy to solve these problems so that we can practice and become experts at this strategy to get you ready for second grade. The strategy we're going to be working on this week is flipping to an addition equation. So we're going to take a subtraction equation and flip it and turn it into addition to find the unknown number. So let's go ahead and read the directions right here. Will you read this with me? Look at the equation and complete the number bond. Use a symbol for the unknown. So right here, I have a line. That means this one's unknown. My symbol is just going to be a question mark because that's easy for me to remember that it's unknown. So will you read the equation with me, please? Blank minus 2 equals 6. All right, before we even do our number bond down here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scroll down here. And where it says draw a picture, I'm actually not going to draw a picture. I'm going to practice the strategy that I told you about flipping the subtraction into addition. So when I flip an equation from subtraction to addition, I'm actually just going to start at the end and I'm going to go backwards. So I'm going to start right here with my answer, which is 6. And I'm going to do 6. And then instead of subtracting, I'm going to add back this 2 that they took away because that's going to tell me what number I started with, the biggest number that I started with and took 2 away from to get to 6. So what is 6 plus 2? 8. Okay, so I know in this blank right here, I need the number 8. Then we can go back and make sure that makes sense. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Let's see if that's right. I'm going to draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Were we correct? Yes, we were. So I know that 2 and 6 makes 8. All right, let's try another one using that same strategy. So remember, friends, when we flip a subtraction equation into addition, we're going to start at the end and we're basically just going to read it backwards and we're just going to flip that sign. So let's look at this one. This one's laid out a little bit differently. So it says, let's find the missing number in subtraction equations. Look at the equation and complete the number bond. Use a symbol for the unknown. So this one we actually don't need to flip, right? Because the only unknown is actually our answer. So we really just need to figure out what is 10 minus 6. And this is a friend of 10 number. So you guys should know this. What number do I need to put together with 6 to make 10? 6 plus what equals 10? 4. Very good. If you needed to draw a picture with that, you absolutely could. So let's do our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what we got, right? We sure did. So if I wanted to flip this into an addition equation, remember I'm just going to go backwards. I'm going to start with 4. Instead of subtracting, I'm going to add 6. And then what's my answer? 10. Very good. All right, this last one, I want you to try these by yourself. So let's look at these real quick. So you can go grab a piece of paper and a pencil and try these for me. They're going to be mixed, so some will have unknown parts, some will have an unknown whole, but they're all subtraction. So if you have one that's an unknown part, I want you to try the strategy of flipping the subtraction equation into addition and solving for that unknown. So for this first one and the second one, I want you to try flipping to addition. For this last one, you can just draw a picture, or if you know that inside your head, you can just go ahead and do it in your head. All right, so pause it here, solve those 3 equations. Make sure you use switching to addition for the first one and the second one, please. All right, guys, work super duper hard. I know you're going to do awesome. Have a great Monday.